what a disaster. I've got through this whole video to this point doing my background, laying the paint, and my video had cut out. So I might have to go through the first bit again but anyway, I'm at this point now that I did a kind of background. I've put all my colours down and I used white, gold, hot pink, purple, turquoise, cool blue. I think that was it. And I've just done that there because I'm going to blow that out to sort of kind of like a going down sunny effect. I'm not sure. But I'm so disappointed it cut out. Let's whiz over it. As I explained at the beginning, I'm doing this for a friend. She wanted something that she lives at the beach, beachy but bright and uplifting, not the traditional beachy colours. So that's what I'm trying to do for her, is a beachy wave. And it's on this huge 76 by 60 canvas. And it's a gallery wrapped canvas, so if it doesn't go to plan and I absolutely don't think it's the right thing, I will scrape it rather than waste this gorgeous big canvas. So I'm going to start off with my small blow dryer and hope that the video is recording. So I'm just going to get rid of this bit. I'll do something with that after, so I might just move this back so I don't blow the paint all over my shoes. Let's give it a go. Rightio, I'm going to start here first. About here, about here, about here. Oh, look at those colours. Oh my goodness. Wow, love it. Love, love, love. Let's see how this goes now. I'm doing some more paint to do some wild splashes. Might have to put a bit more white in here to get some more frothy looking froth happening. We'll see how it goes. But ooh, I nearly spilt that. I don't always get that crest the way I like it the first time and have to scrape some paint off, and I find that's perfectly fine if you have to do that. So let's try and get some movement in this now. Oh, that's not good, but that's okay. I'll try and fix it. I'm not happy with that, so I need to get rid of that. That's not a very good spatula. I need to get rid of that. That's perfectly okay. Oh, I need to just come along there with my sponge brush again. It's okay. Yeah, this is how I sponge the bottom. The effect underneath when I turn it round, you will get what I mean. Now I need to kind of brush that out so it's just smuted. Oh no. Oh, I wanted some more blue in there, but that's all right. I will fix it up somehow as we go. I want to just bring that wave a little bit sort of like that there. Some more of this. You can just keep working it until you feel that it's right. I mean, sometimes you can definitely overwork it, but whatever floats your boat, I say. Literally, this is, oh, I want my boat to be floated on here. Go with just that. Let's see if I can try and make something happen nice in that wave there. I'm not gonna do any more with that. I'm going to create some like droplet effects with my finger, and you can absolutely do that. You can do whatever your heart desires. I'll work on my bits. Pretty happy with that. Might just use my little straw to give it some of the finer bits. I'll pull it back so you can see how I'm going. Pull it back down towards me so you can see a bit more, then I might turn it around and show you. But I'm pretty happy with it so far. It's just working on the finer details. I love all the colour and the drama in it. I love it. I need to work on that a bit. So I may do my edge to match. Can I have the yellow in like there? Might even be able to put a little bit of a boat out there. I mean, I don't want to really do too much to it at this point. I can probably fix this up more when it's dry, or with a fine paintbrush finish off. But if you want something that reminds you of the ocean but is totally not the colours of the ocean, then go your rainbow way. Well, it's not even rainbow, is it? Because it's all these sort of just really pleasant, happy, bright colours. And just use my finger rather than using the blow dryer or anything. But yeah, what a blow dryer and a balloons and all sorts can help you create. That is fantabulous. So excited. I'll tell you what, I'm not going to try and turn it round. In case I drop it, I'm going to bring my camera round. That would be a better idea. A better idea. Let me see. Ooh. Okay. This is the way it's got to sit. So you can see why I did the kind of background. It kind of makes it look like a 3D effect. The glistening of the water and the yellowing of the sun going down in that one corner, and this super duper, really, that's my chaos wave. I never do a delicate Dutch pour or anything. Mine are always chaos, but the movement, hopefully it dries really well, because I'm really happy with that. Don't want to blow it out. There is areas I feel that it might need blowing out to thin the paint down, but I don't want to start to muddy it up. I'm really happy with that. So drying gods be with me. So sorry you missed the very beginning. Like I said, this is a really nice large gallery wrap canvas, so absolutely not sure whether I'll put a resin coat or just a gloss finish on it, but I'm sure it's going to be you beaut. So I'll wait until it's dry. I'll put the photos up at the end, and I'll thank you so much for joining me again today. It was so much fun, and I'm just sorry about the beginning going AWOL. But there you go. So I'm quite happy with that crest now. Very happy with that. So thank you so much, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now. Take care.